The watchtowers were built in the northern Caucasus, in the Republic of Ingushetia, located in the south of Russia, around 1600 years ago. They helped to notice the approach of the enemy from a distance and served as a comfortable dwelling at the same time. The towers were built with Cyclopean masonry. This term was introduced by the ancient Greeks. The way of stone laying, one above the other with no use of mortar, was attributed to be used by the mythical Cyclops. This is Erzy, one of the largest watchtower complexes of Ingushetia. The name means eagle. The watchtower complex of Egihal includes not only dozens of military and residential towers, but also hundreds of burial grounds and 3 sanctuaries. The main constructions were created in the 11th, 12th centuries, but there are also the remnants of the ancient dwellings dated back to 2000–1000 years BC. The complex of Erzy has 8 military towers called Vov, 2 half-military and 47 residential gala towers. There are 3 meters tall and have pyramidal roofs. Some remnants of the late medieval fortifying stone walls have been preserved here. The tower complex of Vovnushki, located in a picturesque valley of the river Gulohi, was built in a very different way. It consists of 3 main towers. 2 of them stand at the top of the rock. The other tower stands on the opposite. This architectural masterpiece is so unique that it became one of the winners of 7 Wonders of Russia competition, and its pictures were depicted in a postal stamp. Four-story towers merge with the stone surface and look like a natural prolongation of the rocks. The ancient settlement of Targim is located in the south of the Republic. The towers rise above scenic banks of the river Assa. The Vov towers were built first in the 5th century, soon after the Khan attacks. The dwelling complex of the Cyclopean constructions have been finished by the 14th century. Vovnushki is translated as the place of the military towers. The 2nd floor served as a watching point, while at the very bottom there were prisons. By the beginning of the 21st century, the towers had lost their primary function. But these fertile lands, in combination with the ideal climate, could not stay uninhabited. Nowadays, just below Erzi, there is the settlement of Olgeti. As in the past, people herd cattle and live in harmony with nature. The Towers of Ingushetia are not just architectural monuments. It is believed that the very name of the ethnic group Galga is translated as builders or tower dwellers. That's how important the towers were in their history. And now they beautify and merge with a breathtaking mountain landscape.